Customer 7751, new pump installed, new tank installed, reinstalled pump on top of tank, reattached piping. Right now it's filling the tank with appropriate water. Also installed a check valve to protect the pump. What this little valve does right here is always keeps water inside of the pump. So the pump always has water inside of it. Pumps cannot run without water. If they do, they will burn up. It'll burn the motor up. Now the tank is completely full. Has the appropriate pressure. No pressure drop. No leaks on any of the fittings here. I rewired it back up. And job is complete. New pressure tank, reinstalled pump, installed this check valve here at no extra charge. It's going to protect this pump so the pump will last longer. And job is complete.